Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and welcome to another class. Class 6 English Unit 3 Travel. In today's class, we will do word study exercise E, page number 42. We will do this exercise in English literature notebook. In this exercise, you have to make sentences with the following words, replacing the underlined words in phrases with some other words of your choice. In this exercise, you have to replace the underlined words and you have to use a new word for the underlined word to change the sentence. For example, the first word is picturesque, something beautiful, something very nice and pleasing to the eyes. For that, we use the word picturesque. So, first sentence is some picturesque sights can be viewed from the hotel window. So in this sentence, some is underlined. For some, we have used the word many in the next sentence to change the sentence. Some picturesque has been changed into many picturesque. For sights, we have changed the word into scenes. Many picturesque sights changed into many picturesque scenes. Can be viewed. For viewed, we have used the word observed from the hotel window, and from the hotel window we can also use words like mountain top, from the gallery, from the balcony, from words like from the garden, any word which you can use in place of hotel window. So many picturesque sights can be viewed from the hotel window, changed into many picturesque scenes can be observed from the mountain top. Now this was an example. We have to start from sentence number 2. The word is descendants. Descendants means children of children. For example, the descendants of my grandfather came from Africa and settled in Pakistan. In this sentence, the first underlined word is grandfather. So for grandfather, you can use any word, for example, grandmother, great grandmother, cousins, or any word. So the descendants of my grandmother came from Africa. Africa has been underlined. So for Africa, we will use another word. You can also use Punjab, you can use Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, you can use India, you can use America, you can use any word, any place's name. And settled in Karachi. So for settled in Karachi, Karachi has been underlined. Pakistan was underlined, so in place we have used Karachi as a new word in the sentence. So the new sentence is the descendants of my grandmother came from Punjab and settled in Karachi. The third word is excavated. Excavated, the ruins of the pyramids were excavated by the archaeologists many years ago. So for the words of ruins, we have used another word which is walls. You can use other words like the tomb, the you can say the roads or any words. The walls of the building. For pyramids, we have used the word buildings because for buildings we have used walls, which is suitable for the word buildings. Were excavated by the archaeologist many years ago. Many years ago has been underlined. So for many years ago, you have to use another word. For example, recently or 5 years ago or 1 year ago or any new word. Number 4, impressive. As I mentioned in the previous video, impressive means something which is liked by others. So some of my classmates write impressive paragraphs because they are avid readers. Again, some has been underlined. For some, you can use other words like a few, many, so many, all, any word. I have used many. Many of my friends, in place of classmates, I have used friends. Many of my friends write impressive. In place of paragraphs, I have used a new word, stories. Many of my friends write impressive stories because they are, in place of avid readers, means a very good reader, a very habitual reader. I have used a new word which is bookworm. Bookworm means someone who is very interested in reading the books or someone who reads books all the times. So number 5, the last word is equipped. Equipped means full of something. Our school laboratory is well equipped with an array of apparatus and chemicals. So our school library, I have changed the word laboratory with the new word library. Our school library is well equipped, means it is full of it is well equipped with an array. Array means a line of something, a series of something. And I have used a new word which is collection. I have used our school library is well equipped with a collection of In place of apparatus and chemicals, I have used storybooks and informative books to make a new sentence. You have to copy all of these sentences in your English literature notebook. The next exercise is exercise F, page number 42, word family. Many words can be made from a root word. Example, bright is the adjective, brightness is the noun, brightly is the adverb. This is called a word family. Some words have big families and while others have small families. In this exercise, we will learn about word families. See, many words can be made from a root word. The root word is that word which can help you make new words. For example, bright is a root word and it is an adjective, it is a describing word. But with the same root, we can make new sentences like brightness, which is a noun, brightly, which is an adverb. So this is the family of the word bright. So some words have big families, they have a lot of members like adverbs, their opposites, and a lot of words. But some words have very small families, they have a few members like 3 members, 4 members. So these are called word families. Now, in exercise G, page number 43, fill in the given table to make the word family. Take help from the dictionary. So, you can take help from the dictionary to see the other members of a word in the dictionary. For example, in the first row, you can see the word written with black in form. It was already mentioned in the book, whereas the rest of the 3 members were missing in its family. So, verb is an action. Any action word is called verb. So inform is written in the column of verb. It means it is an action word. But when we change it into a noun, it becomes information. When we change it into an adjective, it becomes informative. And in this family, we have no adverb, so you can put across. The next one is natural. Natural is an adjective and it describes something. When it becomes a thing, it becomes nature as a noun. It has no verb and adverb of natural is naturally. Just like that, obtain is a verb, it's an action. When it becomes an adjective, it becomes obtainable. It has no noun and no adverb in its family. Its family is very small. Now, imaginably. Imaginably is an adverb, it describes an action. When imaginably becomes a verb, it becomes imagine, to think about something. When it becomes an adjective, it becomes imaginary. And when it becomes a noun, it becomes a thing. It is changed into the word imagination. Just like that, great is an adjective. When it becomes a thing, it means it becomes a noun. The great becomes greatness. And when it is changed into an adverb, it becomes greatly. And the family of great has no verb. Again, availably. Availably is an adverb. In this family, the verb is avail, the adjective is available, and this family has no noun. Cooperative is an adjective, it is a describing word. In this family, the noun is cooperation, the verb is cooperate, and the adverb is cooperatively. As you can see, these words, each family and all the words that are a part of a family, they have a few letters which are in common, which are same. For example, in information, INFORM, this is mentioned in each of the members' name. For example, inform is an informative, inform is an information. So the common members of each spelling or each word, that is the root. Your homework is to complete exercise E, page number 42 in your literature notebook, and also complete exercise G, page number 43 in your book. See you in the next class. Take care of yourself and Allah Hafiz.